The enzyme enterokinase helps in conversion of option A, casinogen into casein. This is incorrect. The conversion of casinogen into casein is catalyzed by renin in infants and not enterokinase. Option B, pepsinogen into pepsin. This is also incorrect. The conversion of pepsinogen into pepsin is catalyzed by hydrochloric acid in the stomach and not by enterokinase. Option C, protein into polypeptides. Now this is also incorrect. The breakdown of proteins into polypeptides is facilitated by enzymes like pepsin or trypsin and not by enterokinase itself. Enterokinase is rather involved in the activation of trypsin. So option D, trypsinogen into trypsin. Now, as already stated, enterokinase is responsible for converting the inactive enzyme trypsinogen into active form, that is trypsin, in the small intestine. And trypsin then helps in digestion of proteins. Hence, this is the correct option.